Good morning, ma'am. Myself Bonasri Handik, and I am from MS second semester. My class roll number is 17. Today, I will going to present a topic on measures to improve women education in India. It is said that if we educate a man, then only we educate the individual, and if we educate a woman, then we educate the whole nation. And this is the importance of women education. Women education refers to all form of education that helps in improving knowledge and skill of a woman. Women education include all form of general education in school and colleges, technical and vocational education, professional education, and health education as well. Now, if we see the need and importance of women education, then it is found that education is a very important tool for empowering a woman. For a long time, women are deprived from their rights, and by educating herself, she can make a place in their society. An educated woman make a educated family and an educated society. An educated woman helps in removing social evil from the society. An educated woman help in national integration, international understanding, and world peace also. An educated woman know the importance of saving, and it is the basic for capital formation and economic development of a nation. There are some barriers of women education also. These are include like poverty of parents, uneducated parents, early marriage of girl child, and then unavailability of school facility in accessible distance, and lack of transformation facility and hostel facility for girl children in remote area, and then inadequate facility in school like toilet facility and drinking water facility, etc. These are the main barriers of women education in India. The government of India take very initiative for the development of India women education in India after independence. The government of India took and formulated various schemes for the development of women education. In the census of 2011, it was found that the total literacy rate of India is 70.04, and here the female literacy rate comes up to 65.46%. The various schemes formulated by the Government of India to encouragement of women education are Sakshar Bharat Mission for Women Education. This scheme was launched in 2008 for the development of adults, especially for the women. And then Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. The main objective of this scheme is prevent gender bias in education, ensure girl education, and increase girl enrollment in primary, secondary, and upper primary level school. And RTE, Right to Education, is one of the important schemes of education. It was formulated in 2009 and come to implemented in 2010. It consider education as a fundamental right and provide free education for the age group of 6 to 14 years students. And Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya. Under this scheme, establishment of various residential school of upper primary for the girls in remote area. And then RMSA and Sarva Shiksha Abhijan also. These are the two important schemes for the development of education in India. According to this scheme, provide free and compulsory education to all children of the age group of 6 to 14 years. It also provides free uniform facility, free textbook facility, and free midday meal facility to the age group of 6 to 14 years. And then National Program for Education of Girls at Elementary Level. It is for the reduction in school dropout by giving special attention for the weak child, especially girls. In villages, women groups are formed, and these groups follow up supervision of dropout and enrollment and also attendance of girls in school. And like that, there are various schemes which are formulated by the Government of India to improve women education, like Mahila Sangha and Dhanalakshmi scheme for give financial support to the girls' child. These are the various schemes formulated by the Government of India. Even our constitution also give emphasis on women education. It makes the women education as a fundamental right for all without any discrimination on the basis of gender, caste, creed, religion, and society. This is my topic. Thank you, ma'am.